Hello, it's Rosie here. Today we will learn colors and how to mix them. I decided to paint a rainbow dash because she is colorful and bright. She literally has all colors of a rainbow. I have a paint by number set with this cute rainbow dash. Let's open it and see what is inside. Okay, so we have a canvas, a paint set, and a paintbrush. I also prepared a cup of water because we need it too. As you can see, there are different numbers on the canvas. Each of these numbers mean different color. 1 is sky blue, 2 is purple, 3 is blue, 4 is yellow, 5 is pink, and 6 is red. This is sky blue, purple, blue, yellow, pink, and red. This is sky blue, this is purple, this is blue, this is yellow, this is pink, and this is red. Okay, let's start painting now. All areas with 1 have to be painted sky blue. So I have finished coloring with a sky blue paint. And the next color I will use is purple. Okay, we are done with purple and we can move on to the next color, which is blue. There are not many areas with number 3, so I have to be very attentive and not miss anything. In some areas of the painting, you might see something like 3 plus 4. That means you have to mix 2 colors. In my case, it's blue plus yellow. Okay. Now I'll mix yellow and blue together and see what will happen. When I mixed blue and yellow, it turned green. Now I can paint. The next color we will use is 4, which is yellow. Next color is 4 plus 6. Which is yellow plus red. Let's see what will turn out. When I mixed red plus yellow, it turned orange. Next, we're gonna do number 6, which is red. And as you can see, we're gonna paint the lightning bolt and a little bit of the mane and tail. The last number we have left is number 5, which is pink. It's the last part of my work, and I'm painting the background. Okay, finished. This is the result. Her skin color is blue. Her tail looks like a rainbow because the tail has all the colors of the rainbow. The stars are orange, yellow, and blue. The lightning bolts are red. And her eyes are purple. And that's all. I like how the result turned out. I hope you like it too. See you again in the next video. Subscribe and like please. Bye!